Hello and welcome, Greg here from Wrexham Volkswagen, bringing to your attention this brand new Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line facelift. Here available in this stunning looking King's Red colour with a contrasting black roof thanks to the optionally upgraded black design pack on this model. From every angle there's loads to enjoy with various blacked out accents, and also you can enjoy automatic full LED headlights with daytime running lights, as well as these 18-inch black diamond turned alloy wheels in Arlo design. Also, smoked out darker black LED tail lights will be on offer, and the boot space is incredibly practical, easily able to swallow weekly shopping. Also, there's a variable boot floor available underneath, and inside the cabin this two-tone leatherette, cloth and suede upholstery can be found, which really brightens up the cabin and offers two Isofix child anchor points as well as a center armrest with cup holders. Piano black door and dash inserts will be available with ambient lighting, as well as front bucket sport seats are also on offer that are incredibly comfortable. The driver will enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which can operate most of the functions whilst on the move. Operating the digital cockpit, there's loads to enjoy with the likes of a road sign recognition camera, as well as active safety systems on offer such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, city emergency braking, and various other functions. Best of all, you can display your satellite navigation directly ahead of you, and you can minimize or maximize the look of the dials, giving you a better peripheral view when traveling on unfamiliar roads. Additionally, all your music and Bluetooth contacts can also be easily operated from the wheel, and best of all, this model benefits from a Park Assist semi-autonomous parking facility to help you park in those really tight spots. Moving over to the center console, the floating screen now is benefiting from an 8-inch Discover Nav system, which also comes with gesture control. For all your music needs, there is FM and DAB digital radio reception with additional media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone is an incredibly easy process to follow, and built-in sat-nav can be brought back to the main screen here to ensure you never get lost. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone projection is also available, with car settings allowing you to personalize this T-Roc to really make it your own. Other great benefits on this model will also include the benefit of an adaptive sound system, allowing you to choose the sound quality and even the position of the speakers. The assistants I mentioned earlier can also be easily operated from the screen, and the driver mode selector will allow you to prioritize a more fuel economy conscious drive or a more sporty spirited one. Additionally, two-zone climate control system can easily be operated from the screen here, but if you prefer, moving down the cabin there are haptic touch-sensitive features, further benefiting from a winter pack heated front seats, keeping you and front passenger warm during the frosty months. Also storage for your device and USB Type-C connectors.